I'm Kimberly Corrington. Today I'm showing you how to decorate a traditional mailbox by yourself. So you're gonna need clippers, you're gonna need a bow, wire, plenty of tree clippings. You'll also need magnolia. So to get started, I like to start with the tree clippings and laying them down on the ground. So I'm gonna grab a bunch. And they're gonna be some of them are gonna be kind of long, so you're gonna need to trim them up a little bit, hence the clippers. You will always need more clippings than you think. So you're gonna kind of fan it out. Ooh, these are nice. Okay. So once you get it on the ground, you're gonna take your wire, and typically I tie it to the post first. So you're going to tie it off here by twisting the wire around itself, and you're going to let the wire hang. All right. And you're going to pick up the tree clippings. Oops, sorry. And so, as you can notice with this one, it's butting up against the post. So I'm gonna clip a little bit more off. So that it fits just a little bit better. All right, let's try that again. That's better. Okay. So you're going to take your wire, and with one hand you're going to hold the clippings on the mailbox, and with the other hand you're going to wrap the wire around it. There you go. Alright, so once you get it on there, you're going to want to wrap it a couple times, and we'll smush it in a second. Kind of when you get to the front, you'll cut the wire. And then you want to take the wire, sure it's really tight, and you're going to wrap the wire around either a branch or one of the wires that are already wrapped around the box. So it's tight, like that. And then you kind of want to step back and look at it. You can push it down around the mailbox, or you can lift it up a little bit. So it kind of wraps the mailbox. We'll kind of fix it at the end. Then you want to find your magnolia. And again, you want to trim off some at the bottom. Actually, I like this one better. Okay. Some people think you have to put it in like this. I actually prefer to put it in with the stem side facing the street, so that it covers up the ends of the branches, like that. And then if you want, and you have a little extra magnolia, you can clip off a small piece, and put it in the other way. take your bow and fluff it just a little bit. So it didn't have to be perfect before you get it on the box. It's gonna have 2 wires coming down the side. You wanna thread one end of the wire under a branch or another piece of wire. Pull it down tight and you're going to twist the 2 wires together to hold it in place. Fix this little magnolia piece. And you're going to have one this way. Like that. It's going to go down the side. So right now it doesn't look great because you got to fluff it. It'll look good once it's finished and complete. All right, and then the ribbon can kind of, and if you have wire left over, you can either clip it off. So at the end, this is most important. You want to look at it. The mail carrier still has to be able to deliver mail. So in some instances, you may have to cut back some of the greenery so that they can easily open the mailbox. There you go. If you have any questions, please comment below. We're happy to answer.